this particular topic we will see general features and then regional variations. Wherever required, we will see regional variations. Now, this Paleolithic cultures, we know that we have lower Paleolithic, we have middle Paleolithic, and then late or upper Paleolithic. So, first one is lower Paleolithic. General features. You already know that this is during Ice Age, where it's approximately from 3 million years ago to 40,000. In Indian context, they consider 36,000 years ago. Lower Paleolithic existed during Lower Pleistocene epoch, which is Great Ice Age. It existed from 3 million years ago to approximately 36,000 years ago. 36,000. In this age, man was a food gatherer, hunter, and nomadic. They chose to live close to water bodies, floodplains, outside the periphery of forest, rock shelters, caves, etc. They never chose to live deep inside the forest or at higher altitudes. Tools primarily included chopping tools, hand axes, and cleavers. These tools were majorly made of quartz and orthoquartzite. See, in Middle Paleolithic, flints were used more than quartzite. If you want to write in bracket, you can write in bracket. In Middle Paleolithic, flint was used more than this quartzite. These tools were used for skinning, digging, chopping, or cutting. During this time, human beings lived in places where there are abundant and rich mineral deposits. So, generally, these lower Paleolithic cultural sites, regional, the general features general features we have just seen. So, regional variations, we have from northwest, which is the most important one, Soan culture, west, which included Rajasthan and Saurashtra, Chambal, Didwana, Jodhpur, central India, Narmada Valley. In central India only we have this Hoshangabad or Hatnora, Bhimbetka, even some sites in Orissa and Meghalaya. All these. Then you have South India, which is known as Madrasian industry. You have places like Kotaliyar, Chengalpet, banks of Tungabhadra, Ghatprabha, Kharampudi, Nagarjuna Konda. So, wherever you find, you either find that hand axes, chopping tools, a cleaver. Somewhere hand axes are present, somewhere cleavers are not found. Same situation will keep repeating. You get my point?